Set in the heart of Tequila, Jalisco, a town famed for its rich agave landscapes and world-renowned tequila industry, Agave House emerges as a quiet rebellion against the rising tide of industrialized, energy-intensive construction. Designed by MORO de Arquitectura in collaboration with taller Omar Almaguer, this 775-square-foot residence demonstrates how architecture can reconnect with place, culture, and sustainability. The core concept of Agave House is refreshingly simple yet deeply rooted, to build using materials derived from the tequila-making process. Walls, finishes, doors, furniture, lighting fixtures, flooring, even the stained glass windows are crafted to reflect the spirit and identity of Mexico, especially the region it inhabits. The result is a home that feels organically tied to its setting, both in texture and tone. This house was designed for Tono, a local humidor, a farmer who harvests agave. As such, the design carefully responds to the unique conditions of the site: solar orientation, topography, climate, and native soil. What emerges is a bioclimatic home, one that leverages natural cross-ventilation and daylight to ensure comfort without relying on mechanical systems. One of Agave House's most compelling aspects is its integration of eco-technologies. For example, it features a dry toilet, a waterless system that produces no waste, no odors, and transforms human waste into compost. The home also includes a wood-burning stove and oven, reviving the use of firewood as a low-impact energy source, reducing dependency on natural gas. Rainwater harvesting plays a key role as well. A rooftop collection system channels water through a tlallic filter by Urban Island, storing it in a 5,000-liter underground cistern. For hot water, the house relies on an electric boiler, avoiding the need to burn fossil fuels or wood altogether. Beyond its physical form, Agave House has also become a learning space. During construction, it attracted interest from locals and students alike, curious about the use of unconventional materials and sustainable techniques. In this way, the project evolved into a community training ground, sharing knowledge and expanding the reach of environmentally conscious construction practices. Agave House is more than a dwelling. It's a statement, a small home with a big message. By blending functionality, cultural heritage, and ecological awareness. It proves that sustainable architecture doesn't have to mean high-tech or high-budget. Sometimes all it takes is a deep respect for the land and a commitment to build with rather than against the environment.